Meet the Rajant BreadCrumb family. Cardinal, Sparrow, Hawk and Peregrine. Think of them like the iPhone lineup. Eh? Each one smarter, faster and more feature-packed than the last. But unlike your old phone, these aren't getting bricked during the latest update. Steve. Help me, Steve. That was weird. This is the Cardinal, the iPhone SE of the lineup. Small, sleek, and way more capable than it looks, just like me. Built for automation, drones, robots, and anything that moves. It's got dual radios and InstaMesh built in, so it can extend wireless coverage way beyond that of fixed infrastructure. Small form factor, big energy. Now you might be asking yourself, what is InstaMesh? Glad you asked. Usually Wi-Fi networks have a boss, a root node or controller, but if that boss takes a sick day, then your network collapses faster than me playing Jenga after some red wine. But with InstaMesh, there is no master. Every breadcrumb is its own boss, constantly picking the best path for your data. If one node drops out, no problem. The rest reroute instantly. It's like Google Maps, but for packets. Now, if there's congestion, InstaMesh will use its lowest path cost algorithm to reroute your data for you, balancing latency and throughput to make sure your data gets to where it needs to go without any loss. This is underpinned by Rajant's make, never break method of forming connections between nodes. Even when the node is moving, it's maintaining connections with nodes it's already used just in case they're still needed, and creating connections with infrastructure ahead of it for future use. Self-forming, self-healing, self-optimizing, just like the T1000. Well, before Arnie throws him into a vat of molten steel. Alright, science class over. Back to the lineup. Next up, the Sparrow, your standard dependable iPhone. IP67 rated and tough enough to be installed out in the Australian weather. With 2 radios and 2 frequencies, it's perfect for oil and gas, construction and mining. It's your daily driver that just works, without chewing up your power budget. Next up, the Hawk. This is your iPhone Pro. Dual radios, dual frequencies. 1.7 gigabits of aggregated throughput. This thing has some muscle. It's like the middle child that's silently been hitting the gym. More bandwidth, range, and it's tough enough to ride shotgun on a mining dozer. Rail, shipping, mining, the Hawk easily scales. And finally, the Peregrine, the iPhone Pro Max Ultra Everything version. 4 radios, 4 frequencies, and up to 2.3 gigabits of wireless throughput. Enough redundancy to keep your network online during power cuts, bad weather, interference, and maybe even your bad decisions. This is your Godzilla device, stomping across your network with unmatched power, massive bandwidth, total uptime, zero compromise. Smart cities, mining, ports, doesn't matter. The Peregrine roars across your entire operation. All rugged, all redundant, all running InstaMesh. The secret sauce that keeps your network alive, mobile, and talking. For more information, visit madison.tech.